Unveiling the essence of Divine Decoction. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that's not just a combination of words, but a blend of history, culture, and meaning. We're unraveling the layers behind the phrase, divine decoction. Whether you're a seasoned linguist or just starting your language journey, this discussion will add a unique flavor to your vocabulary. Before we decode the phrase, let's dissect its components. Divine and decoction. Divine typically refers to something related to a god, or something so perfect and splendid that it seems like it's from another world. On the other hand, decoction originates from the Latin word decoccere, meaning to boil down. It's often used in the context of brewing or cooking, where ingredients are simmered to extract their essence. The phrase, divine decoction, stirs up a rich blend of cultural and historical connotations. It's not just about boiling a pot of ingredients. It symbolizes the extraction of the very best, the most divine aspects of something, be it an idea, a situation, or a literal brew. In literature and history, such phrases are used metaphorically to represent the creation of something extraordinary through a meticulous and careful process. In today's context, divine decoction could be used in a variety of ways. It might describe a chef's masterpiece dish, a meticulously crafted piece of art, or even a situation where the best outcome is extracted from complex circumstances. It's a phrase that adds a touch of elegance and depth, perfect for enriching your narrative or conversation. The phrase, divine decoction, is not just a set of words, but a vessel carrying history, culture, and a touch of mystique. It reminds us that language is not just about communication, but also about art, expression, and the continuous brewing of meaning. We hope this exploration adds a rich flavor to your linguistic repertoire and inspires you to savor the divine decoctions in your own life. Until our next linguistic journey, keep brewing your own blend of beautiful expressions.